In this video, I will talk about Peoplesoft Campus Solution Class Permission. Class permissions are a number or authorization that you can associate with a class and assign to students to use at enrollment time. You can create general add permission or student-specific add permissions. You can also generate add permission numbers for an entire subject area. You can create only student-specific drop permission. For general add permission, Step 1. Schedule a class. Step 2. Clear the student-specific permission checkbox on the Basic Data tab under Schedule a New Course page. Generate general add permission numbers for a class section. Make sure that the student-specific permission checkbox is cleared for the desired class number 1041. For our scenario, and for the same class number 1041, we will add a department consent permission. To generate general class permission, navigate to Records and Enrollment, Term Processing, Class Permission, and Class Permission. In the search criteria, enter the desired course ID and click on Search. Navigate to class number 1041. You can notice that the student-specific permission is grayed out. Expiration date, edit the expiration date to be in the future. For our scenario, we will clear all the checkboxes and we will keep only the consent required, and we will generate 3 permission numbers. Enter 3 and click on Generate. After generating, click on Save. In order to test our scenario, we will log in Fluid Self-Service from a student account. We will navigate to our class number 1041 and click on Next. You can notice the permission number. We will keep it for now empty and click on Accept and click on Submit and Yes. You can notice that there is a department consent required. In order to override this consent, we will return to Class Preferences and will enter the class number already generated earlier, 55491, and click on Accept and Submit and Yes. You can notice now that the accounting 999 accounting is added to student schedule. For student-specific add permissions, Step 1. Schedule a class. Step 2. Check the student-specific permission checkbox on the Basic Data tab in Schedule New Course page. Step 3. Create student-specific add permission numbers for a class section. For our next scenario of adding student-specific permission, navigate to Schedule New Course page and search for the class number 1041, then check the student-specific permission checkbox. Click on Class Permission. In the search criteria, enter the course ID and click on Search. Navigate to 1041 and you can see that the student-specific permission is checked out. Edit the expiration date to be in the future. We will clear all the checkbox and will keep only the consent required. And here you can enter the student ID. We'll enter our student ID AA, for example 00. No. And click on Save. In order to test our next scenario of student-specific add permission, we will log in into student fluid self-service and we'll again choose the course accounting 999 and the class number 1041. And you can notice here that there is only two steps: review class selection, review and submit. The review class preference is disabled. When you click on next and submit and confirm, the class has been added without asking for permission number or any other permission.